Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beadifulnights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from the Dollar Bead Box. In case you're interested in this subscription box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. So let's go ahead and open this box. Okay, we're going to do the bag first. Oh wow, we have some two-tone, multiple strands of two-tone check fire polish beads. Nice summer colors. Look at these right here. These summer colors. That's fun. Okay, let's separate. I love that one. 3 millimeter, 3 millimeter, and these are for. Okay, looking at the list here. First strand is fuchsia. Where am I? 3 millimeter. First strand is lilac fuchsia. I believe that is this one. That is so precious. Look at that. And I do wonder how they do this. Is it a coating? Is it sprayed on there? Or is the bead naturally, not naturally, but you know, if the bead breaks, is it two-tone all the way through? I don't know. I don't know. Next one is vibrant blue-green, which has to be this one. Look at that color. That's very pretty. And then crystal vitral green purple. I really don't know if I'm ever saying that word right. Vitral? Vitral? I don't know. Anyways. I think I have this color. I've gotten it before. It wasn't recently. I think it was a while back. Maybe in a 4 millimeter. It's very pretty. And I love this one. Matte Rainbow Iris. This iris, the rainbow iris, will never get old to me. It's always like the best. Look at how pretty that is. I love the iris. Is this another iris or is this blue? Next thing, we're going to 4 millimeter. Next thing is orange sherbet. That's fun. There's pink, yellow, and orange in this one. Very pretty. And then vibrant blue-green. That's this here. So we got this in the 4 millimeter strand, right there, and the 3 this month. So both sizes. And I have done tutorials using just these two strands, the 3 and the 4. Next thing is matte jet vitral. That's this one. Oh wow, this looks really cool on black. So this is the same finish. Yeah, this is the vitral finish, but it's on a clear bead. Okay, it's just a clear bead right there, and then they did the same finish, but on a matte black bead. Look at that. That's really cool. This makes me think of the peacock beads. And then this here is rainbow blue iris. I should have worn my glasses. Gorgeous strand. Alright, so this was the bag. Oh my gosh. So they sent out bags, and by the way, I always reuse the Dollar Bead Box's bags. These are really good quality bags, so this is awesome. And I think there's about 100 in there, because when I go and buy these bags on Amazon, it's always usually 100 in a pack, so that's really epic right there. I'm loving that. Now let's go to the bead strands. First one is 6 millimeter check glass 2-hole lentil. Okay, let's sort through these. Oh my gosh, I love the green. Oh, I like the metal beads. Those are the coolest skulls I have ever seen. Look at that color. Those are the best. Wow, those are neat. Love that color too. I Can't tell if it's dark purple or blue. Alright, to the strands, 6mm lentil, 2-hole, opaque white luster. That's this here. 2-hole lentils. I can't remember if I recently used these or not. I have actually been filming so much that right now, I have enough videos to upload one every other day for the next week. Which, that's rare. But that's how much I've been filming. So, these are neat. I'm trying to figure out, is this, oh, luster, okay, because I thought they didn't look regular white. One thing I've noticed with 2-hole lentil beads, if you look closely at this here, these holes are really close together in this lentil, and it looks like a button, okay? But then there's some lentils I have where the holes are very close to the edge. So pay attention to that, because if you're designing a project and you have, it's not working for you, maybe you have the lentil that has the hole that's closer to the edge instead of more in the center. See what I'm saying? It looks more like a button, this one here does. But the other ones I have in my stash, the hole is closer to the edge, and that could probably not work in a design. Some designs, I feel like there's some designs where I have such a variety of materials I can use, and then some things, if I try to use, for example, I'm doing Toho seed beads and I try to use Miyuki will not work in the project. I have to use Tohos. Not all designs are like that, but some are. But, yeah, okay. Moving on. After that is 4mm check fire polish Siam. That's this right here, 50 beads. These are gorgeous. I think I have this color in my stash. Really bright red. And then the next thing is 4x10mm check glass Dagger matte silver. These 4mm. Yep. So I love using these in my flowers. Pretty. My cat is dying to get in the room, by the way, and I let her in, and then she wants back out. It's back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So that's what the noise is in the background. Next thing is 3mm check glass jug. This jet blue iris. Yes, these are gorgeous. I don't have many 3mm drugs, so that's an awesome find right there. And then I want to go to the metal one. What's that going to be called? 6mm check fire polish jet half silver, 25 beads. That's this right here. This is a darker silver. I don't know if that's showing up, but I like it. And then the next thing is 5mm check fire polish opaque lime green. These are the best. 25 pieces. I think I got these in a 4mm in the past from this box. I love those. Actually, I think I went onto their website and bought these in either the 3 or 4mm size. I bought a whole bunch of them, and I really like those two together. Alright, next thing is 3x4mm pewter tie style faceted cube bronze 60. These are so cool. How big is the hole? It has a very nice size hole, so I can use that in macrame. Yes. I love stuff like this in macrame. Aren't those precious? I love those. That's a pretty big strand. To get this for $1, remember, you can go back onto the dollar bead box and buy these for $1 each. Next thing is 4mm check glass struck, crystal purple lined. I don't see many lined drugs like this, so that's cool. Makes you think of seed beads. Isn't that pretty? And this looks really good with these here. These check fire polish beads. The summer ones. Alright, the next thing is Swarovski 5328 8mm Exilian Bicone Majestic Blue. Usually Swarovski has a black package. That's this. Majestic Blue. I have in my I have all my beads sorted by color, okay? And then over time, when those boxes overflow, I then sort them by kind. So like, for example, my red bead box now has expanded to red glass beads and then to red coral. Dyed bone is in that box. Cinnabar beads are in that box. Red gemstones are in that box. You know what I'm saying? And as each box expands and it doesn't fit anymore, I then go to like ceramics. So first by color, then by kind. So my crystals, I have little baggies in there that have just like 1 or 2 Swarovski beads, and I just I started putting them all in the same bag together, and I just marked it as Swarovski because I have like 1 or 2 of each Swarovski bead. You know what I'm saying? Those are gorgeous. I want to know what these are. I don't think I've ever seen this before. Next thing is 18mm check glass flower. These, opaque red and gold wash. These are like my favorite flower right now. The detail in these flowers are amazing. Look at how pretty that is. And these are the huge ones. They're gorgeous. And these don't even look like glass. They look like the fancy acrylic beads that I got. You know what I'm talking about? You can get some really fancy looking acrylic beads. They don't look like they're acrylic. Okay, next thing is 15mm check glass table cut cross. Cross? Oh, this? Blue opal with travertine and silver wash. Cool. So I have some red Picasso Drux that have a silver wash in them, and they look really darn neat. It's little specks of silver. You can see it right here where it's shiny. That's the silver wash. This is a beautiful shape. I've used it a lot. I can't remember. I think I used this as a center to a pendant once. I called it medallion pendant. I'll go and find, if I did use it, I'll go and find that picture and put it up now. Alright, next thing, 12mm check glass 2-hole hexagon pyramid. Where'd it go? Oh, this. Jet AB, so that's what this is. Oh. Right there. See the holes? Those are cool. I think that would be neat in a ring. I would also like these in stretch bracelets. Next thing is 12 by 18mm check glass table cut drop, opaque navy with travertine. Okay, so that's this one. When I open this box, these kind of look like a very deep dark purple. Maybe it's my lighting. Okay, I see blue now. The bag was making it look purple. These are pretty. I love the Bagazzo travertine. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh, these flowers match this perfectly. Next thing is, what's it gonna be? 10mm check glass flower polish jet, 8 pieces. These? Yeah. Wait a second. What size was this? 10? These are nice to have. I don't have a lot of 10mm check flower polish beads in my stash. They are very pricey because they're big and they come on shorter strands. Okay. Next is 5x7mm pewter abstract nugget. Antique brass. These kind of look like pearls. At first glance, they kind of look like brown pearls. They have very nice size holes, and again, these would be Epic and macrame. I like these a lot. It's almost like fool's gold or something. Alright, next thing is 4x8mm Chinese crystal cut rectangle. These, yeah. Opaque denim blue, 4 beads. Pretty color. Oh, I love opaque colors. I love the opal colors. They're my favorite. I do choose them over transparent colors. I'm dying to get to the skulls. What's next? 5x6mm check glass 5 petal flower. Pink opal. These here. And I think I'm going to leave these out of the bag because I want to see them with the skulls. This is so pretty. Again, it's that pink opal. Very pretty. And then this here is the 17x20mm check glass sugar skull. Light blue opal with pink. So these beads are in the subscription box a lot, but so far this is my most favorite color they have ever sent. Look at that. That is so pretty. And I'm dying. Right now I already see earrings. This here on the top and this here at the bottom, a cluster of 3 flowers. Right? Or even do it at the top, like that. Do a little cluster of 3 flowers. Because that's what sugar skulls are about, you know, you decorate them with flowers. And these guys, they have flower eyes. So that would be a fun project. Here is everything we are getting in this month's dollar bead box. And I really don't know what I want to make. I really do love these skull beads. The color of these are so gorgeous. I don't know if the camera is doing them justice or not. But this opal shade here, I've not seen this one yet. I've seen the pale, like turquoisey, mint green color that I love in this. But not this blue shade. I haven't seen that yet. And I just realized that this strand here, this pink and blue strand, matches these perfectly. So I would like to do earrings with these, but I am not really an earring person. I much rather have rings and bracelets and necklaces. So maybe I can figure something out with this. And as you know, I have really been into macrame projects lately, so I would like to do something with macrame with these beads here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I will leave a link for the subscription box down there below in the description bar in case you want to go check it out yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified when I upload new videos, and check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. Thanks for watching.